I hate to be the bearer of bad news on the 4th of July weekend, but State Farm is asking for another rate increase. 30% on homeowners insurance, 36% on condo owners, and 52% on renters insurance. None of these rate hikes are a done deal yet. They still have to be approved by the State Department of Insurance, which could take months.
It's critical to understand that nothing changes today for State Farm policyholders.
Michael Soller is a spokesperson for the Department of Insurance.
In the rate filing that State Farm just made, they're triggering a rarely used part of the insurance law. It's a regulation that's really meant to address a company's financial solvency. That's what they're saying, and we're going to look closely at that. And we have some serious questions about State Farm's financial condition, and we're going to get to the bottom of it.
State Farm has already stopped writing new homeowners policies in California, and earlier this year announced they would not renew 30,000 homeowners policies statewide. State Farm emailed me a statement saying, in part, rate changes are driven by increased costs and risk and are necessary for State Farm General to deliver on the promises the company makes every day to its customers.
Current State Farm policyholders do not really have any options right now.
Carl Sussman is an independent insurance broker. He says one possibility for customers is to call their agents and ask questions about reducing coverage.
Start out with the question. Say, what is the maximum deductible that you offer? If that doesn't help enough to be worthwhile, you know to move on to something else. Maybe it's the coverage for personal property. Maybe it's the coverage for loss of use. Sometimes people have coverage that come with these policies that they don't need.
Now, there is some good news to report on this 4th of July weekend. California is in the process of enacting a series of insurance reforms that could happen by the end of the year, and they may encourage companies to start offering policies again in the state. David Gottfredson, CBS 8.